What's up guys, and welcome to the 36th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about pointer arguments. In tutorial 12 we started looking at pointers, and then after like 20 tutorials we moved away. Now in the 36th tutorial we are now looking back at pointers. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so pointer arguments. We can say inline void error message, and then using char star, just say message. Let me just redo that, redo typing, get rid of that. Okay, so then curly braces, and then we could say std cout /a, then we can say error colon, and now the message, all on a new line. Close that off. Now we can go into the actual main function, sorry. So int, we can say char star ep, you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute, equals, we could just say invalid an invalid input. Close that off. Next line we could say error message. Yep, error message, and let's put in EP there. Yeah, that is correct. Close that off. Next line, char message using an array equals disk failure. Close that off as well, and then say error message msg, put that in, close that off. Next line we could say error message again, but this time using timeout or whatever. That should be closed off. We can run this, but before we do that, let's just explain what's happening in the program. So we have a program that demonstrates pointer arguments. Where it says inline void error message char star message, this is a function with a pointer parameter. We can go all the way down here to where it says error message in brackets ep pass a pointer variable. Where it says error message with msg pass an array address, and where it says error message timeout pass a constant address. So we can actually run this and see what it does now. So build succeeded, and we have error, invalid input, error, disk failure, error, timeout. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.